Hi, my name is Dylan Kinlock. I am the CEO and founder of Kinlock's Tax. In today's short video, we're going to go over the credit repair compensation part of our program. Definitely stay tuned towards the very end, as this will be some very exciting information. Now, to begin, let's start off with our very simple to use business model. Here at Kinlock's Tax, it is very simple and easy to run your business. First of all, you'll be able to participate in the credit repair industry, which is a billion, if not trillion-dollar industry, literally for the comfort of your own home on autopilot. What do I mean by that? Here at Kinlock's Tax, all you simply do is refer us your credit repair customers. So if you know someone that needs help with their credit, you refer us, we take care of the job, and you get paid. As easy and as simple as that. We do all the work, you get all the credit. And it's literally as simple as that, right? So let's begin with our first position that you can get started at, which is called the virtual business agent position, also known as VBA. Now at this position, we're running a limited time special right now where it's only $89 to get started. Very affordable. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna get that $89 back right away. Literally, all you have to do is refer one customer. That's right. Kinlock's Tax pays $100 per referral. Now, guys, that is very aggressive. I mean, you find a compensation plan that is paying out this much for doing nothing. Just for referring someone to the company, you're gonna get an instant $100. So let's say in a week's time, you refer 5 customers. Very simple math, right? You now made $500. That's right, $500 is gonna get paid out to you the very next week. So we do pay out our commissions on a weekly basis. Primarily at the virtual business agent position, you get paid only off of your own efforts. The next position that we offer is called virtual business office, also known as VBO. Now, of course, at this position, it's still very easy and affordable to get started. At the time that I'm shooting this video, we are offering a special $99 enrollment price. Very affordable. And we know that you can easily get your money back because we're still paying $100 per credit customer referral, right? So that means if you still know someone that wants to get their credit repaired, you can easily refer them to the company and you'll have the ability to get $100 per referral. But here's where we take things to the next level. Here at Kinlock's Tax, you can actually have a team of agents in your office that you override. That's right. So we're also gonna pay $50 per override, which is extremely aggressive and extremely profitable. Now, here's what's so exciting about this. Everyone needs their credit done, right? Everyone needs their credit repaired at some point in time. Now, why not capitalize on this? Your friends, your family members, your coworkers are gonna be thinking the exact same thing. So let's say you got 2 people to join your office, right? Susie and Bob, let's just throw out some names there, right? So Susie and Bob joined your office just like you did as VBOs. Now, Susie and Bob took our marketing university class, which is offered to every single agent, and it teaches them step by step on how to get credit customers. Now, let's say they got a total of 20 credit customers, right? Just 10 each, very simple, not hard to do. In this equation, you're actually going to earn $50 per customer, which is going to total out to a total of $1,000. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, $1,000. Not to mention, if you referred more than 2 people to the company, right? Let's say maybe 3, 4, 5, even 10, we know this entire equation changes, which means more income for you passively, not actively. And that's what makes this opportunity, this vehicle, so amazing. You can literally earn income while you're traveling, while you're spending time with your family, your friends, even at your job. Whatever you're doing, you now have the ability to override your team's production, which truly gives you an autopilot vehicle in the credit repair industry. So in closing remarks, I want to end this video like this. Life is based all around decisions. We decide what time we want to wake up, we decide how much money we want to make, and we decide who we want to date. At the end of the day, it's all based off of you and your decision. This was just an illustration for educational purposes, but of course you can earn more or you can earn less. You need to decide and make the right decision today to, starting right now, make the rest of your life the best of your life. We would love to have you a part of the Kinlock's Tax family. We would love to help you grow in 2020 and beyond. And of course, we will always be there right by your side for the people. If you want anything else as far as additional questions answered, please get back with the person that invited you to this video. They would love to help you get started and answer any questions you may have. I love you all, and please take care and God bless.